Man, it's been a rough week. It's been a long week. Man, I look rough. We made some money this week, though. Tell you that we made some goddamn money this week. What's up, YouTube? Heard you was looking for a trading strategy. I got you. Look, I'm gonna show you this support and resistance trading strategy that I use on a day-to-day basis that makes me a lot of income during the day with day trade. All I need you to do is like this video so the YouTube algorithm could keep pushing this video in front of other people that want to see this type of content. And without further ado, let's get in the charts. So today we're gonna be talking about support and resistance, chat. So support, I want you to think of support as the floor, right? So let's mark this up. So today, I want you to think of us coming into the day as the first day, coming into the market at the beginning of the market. It is 8:55 in the morning. The market is opening up. We're on the 5 minute chart. Let's start marking up our levels. So, like I said, support and resistance. I already have one line here. Let's use that one. So let's mark up our support, our previous support from yesterday. Let's mark that up, and then let's mark up our resistance, which is the highest part of yesterday. Okay. So let's mark up these two parts. And what we're going to do is we're going to wait for a breakout today. And we're going to wait for it to go either up or down and break out of these lines. Once it breaks out of these lines, we're going to take that trade and we're going to take it up for at least what I like to do. I like to take a few contracts, depending on what my account size is. I take me personally right now. I'm taking about 3 contracts, so I'll take about 3 contracts. I'll take the first one off at 20%. I'll hold another one, take it off at 50%, and then I'll hold the last one to either 100% or just hold it to the end of the day. But I use that for zero DTE options. So let's see what happens. This is replay on TradingView. If you do not have TradingView, I would recommend that you get this. It's going to be super helpful for your trading journey. So the best thing to do is just go ahead and get it. But yeah, let's see what happens. Play. All right. All right. So okay, we're getting the push. Bang! Right there. Okay, so see this, we got to break out to the higher end at what time? See, this is one thing I want you guys to know too. I want you to understand that when you get that breakout, you don't just go for the breakout, you wait for the close. I want you to think of a candle as a basketball game, right? During a basketball game, there's quarters within the game. The quarters don't matter. The end of the game is all that matters, right? So think of the candle, the wicks, the going up, the going down. None of that matters until the candle closes. Until the candle prints, that's when the game is over. So that's what you wait for when you put your strategy together, whatever your strategy may be. You always wait for confirmation, which is the candle close. You wait for the candle close. So in this case, we got, let me open this up a little bit. We got a candle closing right here. We did get a break right here, but this does not matter because this did not break through and close. So with this close, we would have took this trade. We would have got in about right here. Uh, we would have got in right there. Me personally, I like to have my stop loss right below the previous candle. So let's take that and let's go up. Point two would be what I would really go for. That's my 20%. But let's see if we could, let's see how far we go. I'm gonna just put it at 50% and see what happens. Okay. Pulls back, finds support, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. Up. You would have got taken out right there at the 50%. Bounces back. Just want to see what else happens. But you would have took profit right there on 50%. A 50% return would have been right there, guys. Especially with options. And then you would have got another chance at it. You could have, matter of fact, let's pause this for a second. You could have, when it bounced back, you could have took profit here. Once it bounced back, retested, and we got this candle saying that, hey, we're gonna bounce here. We could have got back in with a stronger position and held it and went right back up for that 50%. So that's what I'm saying, that box strategy. I like to call it the box strategy. It's all the same. It's support and resistance. All you're doing is just boxing price action. And whichever way it goes is which way you're going today. And you just ride that trend. Pause. But just ride the trend. And it always works out. I'm not gonna say it always works out. Sometimes you do get faked out. I want you to understand that. Sometimes you do get faked out. But it's very rare. And if you use this with something like level 2 and time and sales, there's a good chance that you could see where everything is without looking at the charts. You know what I'm saying? So I really would like y'all to take this, play with it, do some back testing, and see if it works for you and your strategies. And always keep a toolbox. You know what I'm saying? Put this in your toolbox. When you see something like this and starting up in the day, or you could just trade this during the day. You know, when you starting in the market, box it up. Put yesterday's price action in a box and see where the day breaks out. You know what I'm saying? And see if that's helpful for you. But this is support and resistant. I'm y'all know Z. If you like this video, please hit that like button for me. Tap that screen, man. I really appreciate it. It's nothing for you. It does a whole lot for me. If you got any strategies that you would like me to break down, just let me know and I'll break it down for you. It's been real. I've been Zeke, and you be blessed.